Welcome back to another Tuff Streeter giveaway, and this one's winner's choice. Are you choosing our 1000 horsepower VL CALAIS turbo
or this 900 horsepower 8-second R32 GTR V-Spec street car?
That's right, 1000 horsepower in this beautiful VL CALAIS. It's got the G42 with the built RB30. It's rocking the welds, it's got a 2-speed power glide. It's got the roll cage for safety, it's got the sunroof. I don't know what else you need to hear about this, but VL CALAIS, 1000 horsepower. Or you can win this 900 horsepower R32 GTR. It's got a precision 6870 Gen 2 turbo, a 6-boost manifold. Now this car maxed out this turbo. Sorry, if you put a bigger turbo on it, you can shoot for the moon. This car's been fully rewired to suit the Haltech 2500 Elite. It's got crazy suspension in this that helps it run an 8-second half at the quarter mile. We've put it on genuine TE37 rims with 275 Mickey Thompsons all round to help you launch those straights and grip in those corners. And for as little as $30, you can put your name in this draw and have the chance at the hardest choice of what Tuff Streeter you're going to be taking home.
Click that link below now.